In this video, I will tell you how to earn more if you are holding XCN Coin. Watch until the end. Before moving on to how to earn more, let's analyze whether XCN Coin will rise. On the chart, we see a clear downtrend coming from the top. The price is now close to this trend line, and if it breaks this level, a bullish move should start. If this falling trend line is broken to the upside on strong volume, the uptrend is likely to gain momentum and the price is likely to reach higher levels. It is also possible that after this breakout, the price will test the trend line as a support. If this test is successful and the price holds above the trend line, we could see some nice gains. There is a bullish order block on the lower side. It forms a very important support level for the uptrend. The order block marks a zone where there was strong buying pressure in the previous movement of the price, and the price reversed direction from there. Such zones are likely to get the first reaction when the price pulls back, because at these levels, buyers are active and move the price upwards. If a decline occurs towards the level where this bullish order block is located, the price is expected to receive a strong buying reaction from this zone. The more contacts to the order block, the riskier it is. There is a bearish order block at the top. It marks an important resistance zone where the upward movement of the price could be blocked. A bearish order block indicates a zone where the price previously encountered strong selling pressure at this level and changed direction. Such levels are areas where sellers start to enter the market strongly and try to pull the price down. When the price approaches this bear order block, it may find it difficult to break this zone on the first attempt because the selling pressure may continue. After a few attempts, it will weaken. According to the Elliott wave theory, the fact that the first and second waves have been completed and we are now entering the third wave creates an important technical structure. In the Elliott wave theory, the third wave is generally considered to be the strongest and longest wave, and should generally extend to the 1/618 Fibonacci level. In this case, Fibonacci retracement levels are an important guide when setting targets for the third wave. The 1/618 level is projected to be an extension of 1/618 times the length of the first wave, and usually marks the beginning of a strong uptrend. The third wave is the longest and most abrupt. A descending triangle pattern is clearly formed on the chart. Although this pattern is usually seen as a continuation pattern in a downtrend, it may give a bullish signal if the upper line breaks to the upside. If the price breaks the upper resistance of the triangle on strong volume, this breakout could signal the start of a new uptrend. After the breakout, it should make a retest to the upper line of the triangle and then move on. There is a slightly ascending channel structure on the chart. After touching the lower band of the channel, the price received a strong reaction and is now moving towards the middle band. If the price is able to break through the middle band and sustain here, it can be expected to move towards the upper band of the channel as the next target. However, the middle band may work as a strong resistance, so there is a possibility of a minor correction here. But then if it breaks here, it will go to the upper band. When we look at the Bollinger Band indicator, we can see that the price last moved up to the upper band. This usually signals an overbought zone and indicates that the price should make a small correction. If the price retraces a bit from the upper band, we may see a correction towards the middle band. The middle band usually acts as a dynamic support, so if the price holds here, it may start an upward movement again. However, if the price slips below the middle band, it will fall all the way down to the lower band. It is healthy to make a small correction now. Looking at the MACD indicator, we can see that a crossover from the lower side occurred last time. Such crossovers are usually considered a positive signal and are bullish. If this crossover continues and the MACD line moves above the 0 point, the bullish momentum could get stronger and we could see the price climb higher. Looking at the RSI indicator, we see a breakout of a pre-existing downtrend. Such breakouts are usually considered a strong bullish signal, but for the breakout to be firmly confirmed, it needs to make a retest move. Currently, the RSI has moved above the trend line it broke and may need to test this area as a support. If the retest is successful and the RSI moves up again, the uptrend will continue. Looking at the vortex indicator, we see that the blue line is trying to move upwards. This suggests that buyers are gaining strength and the price may gain upside momentum. If the blue line manages to move above the red line, this will be a positive signal that the uptrend has started. When the blue line goes up, we can see some nice rises. Looking at the price action, we can clearly see that it is currently hovering below the 200 EMA. The 200 EMA is considered a very important technical indicator that determines the direction of the long-term trend. Usually, when the price is below this level, it indicates the continuation of a downtrend, and when it is above it, it indicates the start of an uptrend. Currently, the price is stuck just below the 200 EMA and is trying to break through it. If the price moves strongly above the 200 EMA, the uptrend will start in the medium term. Looking at the tweet here, we see that the XCN coin is listed on the Kraken exchange. This is an important step for XCN, as being listed on a large and trusted exchange like Kraken allows the coin to reach a wider audience of investors. Such major exchange listings can attract more investors by increasing the liquidity and reliability of the coin, especially in the long run. When there is a rise, a user using Kraken can buy XCN coins immediately. Looking at this tweet, we see a list of the coins that have risen the most in the last 90 days, with XCN at the top. In other words, XCN has gained the most value during this period, indicating that investor interest is quite high. Such a rise proves that XCN has strong momentum and is becoming a notable asset in the market. Considering that long-term uptrends usually continue for coins that attract a lot of attention, XCN's performance will be followed by investors in the future. Also, such big uptrends usually come with an increase in volume, suggesting that XCN's liquidity and trading volume are increasing. And this kind of news could popularize XCN Coin. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you hold XCN coins, you have the opportunity to earn more from it. For users in the XCN ecosystem, the staking mechanism offers a passive income opportunity and is an important option for investors to utilize their assets. Through XCN's official staking platform, you can earn additional income by staking your XCN coins. In this system, you can earn additional rewards by locking your coins for a certain period of time. Moreover, the APR rate is as high as 37%, meaning that it has the potential to provide a significant return depending on the amount staked. This high APR rate is a great advantage for staking investors and increases trust in the XCN ecosystem. At the same time, it can have a positive impact on the price by limiting the supply of XCN in circulation. Because as more people withdraw their coins from the market by staking, the selling pressure can be reduced, contributing to a price rise. If you hold XCN and are looking for a long-term investment, this staking opportunity could make sense. This way, you can not only increase your existing holdings, but also contribute to the XCN ecosystem and help the project become more robust, and thus earn more. When you invest a good amount here, you are really earning a passive income. Yes, friends, I hope you liked the video. If you subscribe and like the video, more videos will come. Good earnings to everyone.